Ask whether they are competent to design, commission, certify and maintain the type of system that your building requires. Commercial fire alarms should be designed, installed and commissioned by competent professionals. There's a significant difference between being able to physically connect a detector and being competent to design a compliant fire alarm system. A competent installer should understand fire alarm categories, device positioning, sound levels, cable requirements, power supplies, battery calculations, cause and effect requirements, interfaces, commissioning, certification, ongoing maintenance. They should also provide the appropriate documentation when the work's complete, and these might include design certificates, installation certificates, commissioning certificates, zonal diagrams, system drawings, device schedules, user instructions and maintenance records. Documentation may be required by your insurer or fire risk assessor, the landlord, managing agent or any other authority. So don't simply ask whether someone can install a fire alarm. Ask whether they are competent to design, commission, certify and maintain the type of system that your building requires.